Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's March 17 evening and we're Sunday already. And we just arrived here in Philippines. It's our first day again here in the Philippines. And Leon also first day again here in Philippines.
Yes.
And I would say that we have a lot of video from Thailand, but we just upload right now the new from scoreboard competition so that you can see what happened here already in Angeles or in the party there in scoreboards. And later we will gonna upload all from Thailand because so many videos from Thailand and we don't have time to upload or edit it because we had a lot of also work. We are so busy, and sorry if we cannot make some. You cannot see more from Thailand, but maybe later after the from scoreboard, you can see from Thailand also.
Yes, we just been in the scoreboards and we filming also in Walking Street little bit, drink coffee. This is what's why maybe some people already watch video yesterday from Thailand, but it's new video from the Philippines. Maybe it's not good for some of subscribers, viewers, but we want to show, explain. First, we want to show from scoreboards, and next day I will upload video from Thailand because we have so many video. And have also interesting video, have from Soi 6 or in Walking Street. We've been in the bar also with Georgi. Interesting, maybe Georgi can say. That's why we can please sorry if I cannot upload video step by step because I really don't have time. I'm work. Shaira busy always. That's why we will show now video from scoreboards and you can see what happened in scoreboards. Thank you for watching in advance.
Thank you for watching.